Well, folks, welcome back to the Jacoa Ninja channel. Today's video, we got a new train. What's new? But we have quite a bit of new trains coming this month. I bought over 9 new ones because I got some money from some older ones that broke and that I sold. So what I do is if I have a train and I go to fix it and I can't fix it, I pretty much just resell it. So I need scissors. I never have it, so that's the way to do it. It's like, there it is. And then it's fun because when I get new trains, I keep the bubble wrap. So here it is. It's in there. It is a New Haven locomotive. Oh, this dude packs really well. Wow, what a beauty, dude. Oh man, this is cool. I got this for $55, and I think it's pretty much new, which is not the best for trains, because the oils dry up eventually, but wow, this is so cool. Look at this, dude. It is supposed to run, and there was a video, so it did run. Well, I didn't see that in the pictures. The top for the coal is missing. So you just see this big nasty weight there. Oh no. We have to print some piece to cover that tender. Now, even though the top's gone, I'm still pretty happy. Look at the light. There's that. So we don't know how to get this off yet. There we go. It is actually well oiled. This is gonna be a short video. Like really well oiled. So we'll just, I guess, pop this back in. Dude, this is gonna be like easy. This cosmetic work, we just literally after this has to clean the wheels. And then print that piece. Alright, so we're gonna measure to see what we need. 33 width. And like 69 length. Alright, this is what we're looking at, and I never get it on the first try, so we'll see, because my worry is it's gonna like show these clips and we're gonna have to like extend an end or something. Because it looks kind of cool without the hole in it. Alright, that's done. All I gotta say is, what a beauty. Look at how this came out. You can't even really, if you didn't know I printed that, I don't think you could tell. So we got it all hooked up to some freight. And I don't even need to test it. I just know this thing's gonna run, and if it doesn't run, I'm gonna cry. hope y'all enjoyed this locomotive. I sure did. I couldn't even really tell. I forgot about how I printed this, but man, what a beauty. I mean, the front reminds me of the Durango Silverton, but so I hope you all enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave me a like and subscribe, and punch out.